G'day guys, Steve from Service Maride, and I'm down here today with Will from Engine Carbon Clean, and we're going to perform a Stage 2 on this 2012 4x4 Ford Ranger. This Ranger currently has 172,000 on the clock and also is fitted with an aftermarket EGR delete cable. And before any work is carried out, the engine is scanned for any engine codes, and on this scan no codes were found. The Stage 2 requires the manifold to be removed. In order to do that, you need to remove the intercooler pipe and the battery, undo the fuel lines and remove the filter and the bracket. Then remove the throttle body to access the EGR valve. Once all the components have been removed, they are stripped down and placed into the ultrasonic bath for cleaning. During the combustion process, whether it's a petrol or diesel engine, not all the fuel gets burnt. The unburnt fuel leaves behind carbon, which over time builds up and causes a number of issues: loss of performance, louder engine, lumpy idle, smoky exhaust, increased emissions and a drop in fuel economy. Once cleaned, the parts are inspected and dried before being reinstalled with new gaskets. A ProVent 200 catch can from Western Filters should also be fitted to stop the oily residue from entering the manifold. Now that the engine is back together, it is primed and started. Then a Stage 1 is performed, with the unit connected to the air intake of the vehicle for approximately 1 hour. The entire inlet, exhaust, EGR and cylinder head are cleansed without any use of harmful chemicals or any damage to the engine. So if your vehicle is lacking the power and performance and you're getting poor fuel economy, contact enginecarbonclean.com.au.